A 40-bed capacity mobile field hospital has been donated by the U.S. government to complement efforts towards improving facilities to help in the fight against the pandemic in Nigeria. Minister of State for Health, Olorunniyi Mamora, says the hospital, which is stationed at the Federal Medical Center, Jabi, will be utilized to lessen the burden on other treatment facilities as numbers of new infections continue to rise across the country. TVC News' Kemi Balogun reports.
Nigeria recorded its highest number of new infections a few days ago, with close to 2,000 cases listed in one day since the second wave swept in across the country. The improvement of facilities to care and cater for the treatment of patients with COVID-19 remains critical to help Nigeria's fight against the pandemic. This new 40-bed capacity mobile facility, which comes equipped, will cater for both those in the front line of care and those being cared for.
Which will help us in so many ways, testing, isolating, then of course holding, and of course treatment. So in four ways, because not every patient brought in on emergency will necessarily test positive for COVID.
This new addition to several other treatment centers for patients with COVID-19 will help to reduce the burden on hospital structures and personnel that are buckling under the pressure of the large numbers of infections and treatment.
Virtually all the hospitals have been, completely filled up. So there is scrambling for beds now, with the surge of patients being brought in. So that kind of place will help us very, very tremendously.
This is it's a negative pressure facility, which means we can use it in managing infectious diseases, not only COVID, we can use it to manage Lassa and some other highly infectious diseases. And it has water supply that is connected and also sewage. And it came with a 160 kVA generator that is powering the facility.
The United States government believes this will go a long way in keeping both health workers and patients safe, and it remains part of efforts in fostering better relations between the two countries at a time of great global need.
The American people are committed to helping this country implement effective health efforts and improve its capacity to safely isolate and treat confirmed COVID-19 cases.
The provisions of facilities like this in Nigeria and also in other countries around the world will continue to alleviate the burden on treatment centers and hospitals who have to care for patients who come in with COVID-19. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.